Hello video creators. Mother's Day is approaching on this Sunday. Many people must be thinking about how to celebrate this special day and what gift to give to our beloved mother. There are many options to choose. We can either go shopping with her, buy her some cosmetics, a perfume, a necklace, or give her something she can remember and look back on with great joy for many years to come. In our opinion, a Mother's Day video is a perfect way for us to do that. And it is way cheaper than buying her luxury gift. So in this video, we will give you some ideas to record and make your own Mother's Day video. First of all, we need a device to record. We don't actually need a camera to do the recording. The smartphone can do the job well. We can use it to film the moment we spend with mom. Just open the phone camera or any camera applications, set the resolution to 1080 pixels or 4K, then feel free to film on Mother's Day. Some recording ideas. For people whom just start filming the first time, here are some ideas for you. 1. Dress up your mom like a star. Help your mom pick a nice clothes to put on. Make her be the most shiny star on that day. Then take her to a park or a beautiful place, and take beautiful photos and films for her. These pictures will become her precious memory. 2. Do something she likes. The best way of expressing gratitude to mother is spending time with her. You can stay beside her and film her do anything she likes, such as baking, gardening, drawing or anything else. Record the happy time with her. 3. Make her surprise. You can prepare a small gift in advance, such as a gift card or a bunch of flower. Then film her reaction when she receives the gift. 4. Simply talk to her. Recording your daily talking with your mom is also a good way. When we hear the familiar sound of mom, it will just make us feel warm from deep heart. Editing. After recording, all we need to do is to edit the film. There are many video editors to choose. We would like to recommend you using HitPa Video Editor to do the editing, as it is very friendly to beginners, and is suitable to make easy editing, such as vlog. You can download the editor from hitpa.com. It is available on both Windows and Mac operation system. We have put the link in the description. After installing, launch it. Start a new project. Then import the media files we record. Besides that, we can also prepare some old photos and videos. We can edit them together to bring back the past memories. If some photos are too blurry to see, we can also use AI tool to enhance. You can watch our previous videos for more details. Now, we can drag and place the media files in the timeline, and press spacebar to preview the video in this preview window. Click Ctrl and B on the keyboard can split the video clip, or just right-click a clip and choose Split. If we don't need a clip, just hit the delete button, or right-click and select delete. Then we can place other videos behind the previous video, and gradually combine them all into a full video. What's more, we can also place the files in different tracks. The upper track will cover the lower ones. And we can also make the best of the text, stickers, transitions and filters. These are the basic presets of the editor. You can select the ones you like and add them to your video by placing them on the timeline. The right side of the editor is the control module. You can find all element parameters here, such as size, opacity, rotation, position, color grading and many other adjustments. Next, we need to add a suitable background music. There are some basic sound effects here. Or we can download music from some stock music websites, but they usually ask you to pay. So we would recommend you find music from YouTube Audio Library. You can find it in the YouTube Studio. The music here has YouTube Audio Library license and are free to download. Then we can drag the music to the timeline and edit it like video clips. This is a brief guide of editing video in HitPaw Video Editor. You can easily use it to edit your unique Mother's Day video. When completed, just click the Export button, do some export settings and export the final video. Last but not least, enjoy the video with your mom and express your gratitude and love for her. Alright, these are some ideas for your Mother's Day video. Really hope this video helps. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. This is really important for us. And in the end, Happy Mother's Day in advance. See you next time.